guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys. I just want to give a huge thank you to all of our subscribers, to our old subscribers, our new subscribers. We're so close to hitting 100k and it's seriously so surreal. That's like been a goal of ours for a really long time. But anyways, for today's look, I just decided to create a really pretty cool toned eye look. So if you guys want to see how I achieved it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So first thing I'm doing as usual is priming my eyelids, and I'm using my Too Faced concealer, the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade Swan, and just kind of applying a nice even base and then setting it with some translucent powder. The one that I like to use is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder. For today's palette, I'm using two different palettes. First one I'm using is the Rimmel London Magnifi'eyes color palette. And if you guys haven't tried those palettes yet, then I highly recommend the Rimmel London Magnifi'eyes. They have like 3 or 4 different type of palettes, but they're all super good for being drugstore. Anyways, the first thing that I picked up was the cool toned light purple shade, and I just buffed that in left and right motions in my crease. Next, I'm grabbing the same shade but with a small tapered brush, and we're just going to start to concentrate this color more in the crease. And usually I draw my line first, but I just wanted to try a different technique out today, so I wanted to kind of build some depth with a fluffy brush to see how I liked it. But of course I went back to my original technique. I felt like I needed to grab this angled brush and just add a line of definition like I always do. But for this look we are not going to be carving the lid. But yeah, I'm just going in left and right motions, and I start in the center and then draw that inner and outer corner. If you have a hard time drawing that line, you could always draw that line with your eye open as well. And then I just grab my small tapered brush once again. This one's a little bit fluffier, and I grab that first transition color, and I'm just kind of going in left and right motions, just making sure that everything is nice and diffused. And then I'm grabbing the second palette that I'm using for today's look. This is the Shop Violet Voss Taupe Notch palette. Every single shade in this palette is really cool toned, so if you're into cool toned eye looks, highly recommend checking out this palette. I just grabbed that really beautiful gray shimmery shade and I just applied that all over my lid. So I definitely wanted to add some more depth on that outer corner, so I just grabbed that small tapered brush and the darker purple shade, and I'm just kind of doing dragging in motions. And then I grabbed my Shop Violet Voss Elsa glitter, and of course I applied some glitter glue beforehand, but I just kind of did tapping motions, and I just wanted to concentrate that to the center of the lid. And then for my lashes, I'm applying my Shop Sophie Bella Jamaica lashes. For my waterline, I'm applying this eye pencil by CoverGirl from their Full Spectrum collection. I kind of like it, super pigmented. And then I'm grabbing this small smudger brush and the first transition color that we applied in our crease, and I'm just starting to apply those shades onto my lower lash line. And then I grabbed the darker purple shade, and then next I'm going in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then for my inner corner, I'm grabbing my Pixie Beauty highlight duo in this shade Subtle Sunrise, and I just went ahead and I popped that onto my inner corner. And then I just ran my spoolie through some bar soap and then ran it through my brow. And this is the finished look, you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. As always, please leave your recommendations in the comment section down below. If you guys want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done in the comment section down below. And our giveaway is US only. So yeah, just go ahead and do those things if you want to be entered for our monthly giveaway. We're going to be picking a winner very soon. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!